project's been a long time coming. I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I don't think there's a better place on the planet that a family could raise their children and live. 5 generations of my family have lived in Fox Lake. 3 generations are graduates of Grant High School, and I hope that tradition keeps on. This is just one of the many things that we're going to need to do to make sure this stays the greatest place on earth to raise a family. We were able to come up with $12 million without having to raise any taxes or permits or anything. We're doing it through the externality fund over at the treatment plant. We get paid money there every year, and the video gaming and a few other taxes. But we didn't have to raise any taxes or permits to build this. I consider Fox Lake my family, and as a family we all pull together. I'm going to give a list of some of the people that have made this possible, and I always run the risk of not mentioning someone I should, so I'm sure I'll do that again. But the Ray Auto Group is going to sponsor our summer concert series, and they're going to do this every year. They've always stepped up to help out the village and the schools.
I don't know of any mayor who loves his community, who loves his village more than Mayor Schmidt. As he said, it's where he is from, it's where his family is, it's where he wants his family to be.
As we said, this belongs to our people. And that building, it's a true community center. So please, everyone, enjoy it.